This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Kathy Stinson. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom 2-bath 1-story, Fairbanks floor plan by Hampton Homes located in the small gated community of Brookside Court. Full gutters and full brick construction all the way around the home for easy maintenance. Beautiful windows and 2 blinds throughout the home. The gorgeous mature oak tree adorns the freshly landscaped front yard, giving this home some amazing curb appeal. A huge 24 by 6 entry leads you to the living area with a cozy gas log fireplace and ceiling fan. The formal dining is just off the kitchen and open to the living area. The dining room also boasts beautiful crown molding and chair railing. Large master bedroom with vaulted ceiling and a huge ensuite bath with double sinks, jetted garden tub and separate shower, amazing walk-in closet, and there is even a linen closet too. Generous size secondary bedrooms with vaulted ceilings. Nice backyard with extended back patio is nicely lit in the evenings by a fully functional natural gaslight. For more information